Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing two aerial marvels, the SYMA drone and the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone. It's going to be an epic showdown, so fasten your seatbelts and get ready for takeoff. Let's start with the price tag. The SYMA drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $99, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, the CHUBORY drone is priced at $149. While it's a bit more expensive, reviewers mention that the quality and features justify the higher price. If you're looking to save money, SYMA is a solid choice. If you're willing to invest a bit more for additional features, CHUBORY is worth considering. Next up, camera quality. The SYMA drone boasts a 1080p HD camera, which reviewers find quite satisfactory for capturing everyday moments. However, the CHUBORY drone steps it up with a 2K HD adjustable camera. Reviewers are particularly impressed with the CHUBORY's 130-degree wide-angle lens, which provides a broader field of view. If you're serious about aerial photography, CHUBORY offers superior camera quality. Flight time is crucial. The SYMA drone offers up to 40 minutes of fly time with its two powerful batteries, which reviewers find decent for short recreational flights. But the CHUBORY drone swoops in with a whopping 84 minutes of flight time, thanks to its 3 upgraded batteries. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, which allows for more prolonged and enjoyable flying experiences. How easy are these drones to fly? The SYMA drone is super user-friendly with features like headless mode, altitude mode, and one-key takeoff/land. Reviewers highlight its simplicity, making it perfect for beginners and kids. The CHUBORY drone, however, is packed with advanced features such as optical flow positioning, follow me, and gesture selfie. Reviewers note that while it may have a steeper learning curve, it offers a richer flying experience. Let's talk durability. The SYMA drone comes with 4 propeller guards and features like low voltage and overcurrent protection. Reviewers find it durable enough for casual use. However, the CHUBORY drone takes it to a whole new level, with its strong brushless motors and upgraded composite material. According to reviews, it's highly durable and can withstand more challenging conditions. Overall, reviewers find the SYMA drone to be an excellent entry-level option with good durability, ease of use, and decent camera quality. It's particularly recommended for beginners and young pilots. On the other hand, the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone is praised for its superior camera quality, extended flight time, and robust build, making it a better choice for those willing to spend a bit more for enhanced features. So there you have it. Both the SYMA drone and the CHUBORY drone bring their A-game to the sky. If you're on a budget and just getting started, the SYMA drone is a fantastic choice. But if you're ready to invest a bit more for longer flight time, better camera quality, and extra features, the CHUBORY drone is your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high and buy smart, everyone. See you in the next video.